Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix GOG Galaxy not launching on Windows. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, what I want you to do is get the basics right out of the gate. Make sure to try to uninstall and reinstall GOG Galaxy. And if it still doesn't work, here are a couple of things you can do. Simply go ahead and right click on GOG Galaxy, the application, and click on open file location. On the shortcut itself, do the same as well, and you're going to be on this page right over here where the Galaxy client is going to be. Simply right click on that, click on properties, and then on your security right over here, you want to simply go ahead and click there and click on edit and make sure that all systems are getting full control right over here. And the other thing that you want to do is simply go ahead and click on compatibility and run this program as an administrator. Should always have a check mark, and click on apply. You can also change setting for all users. Simply go ahead and put it just like that, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.